You might be eating this every day and not even know it's haram. The Prophet ﷺ said, halal is clear and haram is clear. Sahih al-Bukhari. But today, many foods hide what's forbidden, like gelatin made from pigs, enzymes from non-halal animals, and even flavorings mixed with alcohol. It looks harmless, but one ingredient can turn your meal into sin. So before you eat, read before you bite, because Allah doesn't just care what fills your stomach. He cares what fills your soul. Follow for more Islamic reminders.